Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be visiting Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam is the second largest dam in the United States, and also it is 4 hours away from Phoenix and 30 minutes extra if you want to go to Las Vegas. Now, Hoover Dam started construction during the Great Depression. The dam was built from April 20, 1931, and the cement, the bridge itself, was built by May 29, 1935. All the features included was completed by March 1st, 1936. The purpose of the dam is to irrigate, provide water and hydroelectricity, and to control the seasonal flooding of the Colorado River. The dam is located on the Arizona-Nevada border. So literally half of the dam is in Nevada and half of it is in Arizona. So it's kind of cool. You could be on one side, you could be in Arizona, and then two seconds later you could be in the border of Arizona. It's really fun. It is located in Black Canyon of the Colorado River, about 35 miles southeast of Las Vegas, Nevada. So, this dam has only filled up twice. A few times in 1941, and it flooded in 1983. The size of the dam by height is 726.4 feet, or 221.4 meters. In length, it would be 1,244 feet, and in meters, it would be 379 meters.
Repaid the entire cost of constructing Hoover Dam and continues to fund the yearly operating and maintenance costs as well. Hoover Dam helped ensure a future for the communities that settled along the river and the low, flat valleys of Southern California and Southwest Arizona. In Las Vegas, Phoenix, Los Angeles, and other smaller cities, Colorado River water delivered from Lake Mead helps meet the needs of millions of people a year. Hoover Dam and other dams along the Colorado River contain the floodwaters spawned each spring by melting snows, and from their reservoirs flows an assured and reliable water supply for
not here.
are at the museum right now. So this is the part where we're at the museum, and then later when you see the stairs, there is the outlook. You could see the dam from an aerial view. That's very cool. That is the dam. That is the Colorado River that you just saw the water flowing from. That was the Colorado River. You can find a lot of very cool information here. So as you can see, this is a very beautiful model of the dam. This water that we were just facing, that was the Colorado River. And look how tiny the cars are. There's also this very cool bridge there. And that side over there with a lot of water on that side, that is Lake Mead. Lake Mead in this part is in both Nevada and Arizona. When you get here, as you notice that those big electric pillar thingamajiggies, yeah, those near the bridge, they're really cool how they're just tilted and just standing there and not falling at all. That's really cool. This is Hoover Dam. Isn't it big? Well, if you see it in person, it's really big. Hoover Dam is not as high as the Eiffel Tower. As you can see, even Giza is smaller than the Hoover Dam. You can get a beautiful view of the dam from here. And if you look down, it just gives me the thrill. That is the beautiful Colorado River. The ticket is $35 per person if you're going to visit the visiting center and are going to the tour to see the hydroelectric plant. Well, too bad for us. They had to close down the plant the day we were gonna go. That's so sad. Now these are the turning doors, which was really interesting to go through.